My name is Sarita LaRoche, and today is day number in the Get Creative 30-day challenge, where every day for 30 days, I do something creative. I make it, film it, post it, share it. Thank you for joining me. If this sounds like something that you might be interested in seeing, then hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I usually post every week on Fridays. This is just a special November edition. So today I am going to do a painting. One of my viewers made a challenge suggestion that I do a painting in all blue with tiny bit of silver, tiny bit of white. So I took the challenge, I rounded up all my paints that I have in blue and mixed them up, and I'm ready to show you what we're gonna do. Okay, so today we're gonna do something a little bit different that I don't show often on my channel. This is an 11 by 14 canvas. It's nice and taut. Remember to always check to make sure your canvas is taut. I have a whole selection of blues here that I have put together for this, for Mr. Davidson. You know who you are. So every once in a while, I like to mix phthalo blue with black, get this kind of navy color. So what I've done is I went ahead and I put this navy color all around the canvas and the edges, because today I'm going to be doing a swipe. A swipe is where you put some colors down and then you have a swipe color that you pull over the rest of the colors. Now, I'm not an expert at this. There's some really great channels like Julie Cuts, who does excellent swiping, but I thought this could be fun, and we'll see these different shades of blue kind of bubble up once we've swiped it with this really dark navy. And I'm sorry for the chirping. My smoke detector is still out of battery, and we've had trouble figuring out how to fix that, because it's a whole system. It's not just in this one room. So I have all my colors. I've mixed each color with Glue All, Elmer's Glue All. It is not to be confused with Elmer's School Glue. It's a PVA glue, and what it helps to do is to maintain the binders of the paint. So we're not just diluting the paint, we are giving the paint molecules something to hold on to stay connected together. And I've also thinned it out with some water, but the paint that is the thinnest is my swipe paint, this dark blue that I put all around the edges. So I am going to put you on time lapse with music so that if something happens with my little one, it's not going to get in the middle of what we're doing. But the basic procedure is I will be layering these paints onto the canvas. I want the canvas to be very wet with color. I will pour my swipe color, and then I'm going to use these are baby butt wipes. I'm going to use these to drag the color across. Every single one of these colors has had a drop or two of spot on treadmill oil. This is pure silicone. You can buy it on Amazon, and it should produce cells. So we should see some cells pop up from the treadmill oil when I swipe. So I'm going to put you on time lapse now and get to work. see the magic happening, all of those cells popping up. That's from the treadmill silicone. It just reacts with the paint, and when you swipe over, especially with a thinner watered down paint, they just pop up, and they're still popping up. So as soon as I think that they've completely developed, I'll bring you in for a close-up, but it looks really cool. And thank you to Jay Davidson who gave me the idea. So it's not dry, but I just thought you should see all of these lovely, lovely cells that have emerged. I lost a little bit of my blue up here because I didn't think it was gonna move so quickly before I was gonna level it out a little. But since this is the most liquid part, it really started to pull that way. So I lost a little bit of the border I had up here. And when I tilted it to move everything down, I got a little bit of distortion, but I still think it's really cool. So I'll take a picture and show you the final result. And I hope you enjoyed this short little video. This was fun. It's worth investigating, trying some new sizes of canvas, some different colors, maybe some different things to swipe with. I really am pleased though. It's really vibrant, full of all those blue colors. And what you don't see right now because it's not dry is that some of those colors are metallics, so they're gonna shimmer. So that's me for today. Sarita Roche signing off, and I will post a photo of the finished product. Thanks for watching.